How to change YouTube profile picture on iPhone. You can now change your profile picture directly on your YouTube app in your iPhone. Just open the YouTube app and click on your profile in the upper right corner of the screen and make sure that it is on the right account. Click your channel, and here you can see this pencil icon in the right side. If you click that, you will now be able to edit your profile. You can change your name, your description, your privacy, and even your banner, and also your YouTube profile picture. Just click this, and you can select your photo or take your photo. You can also crop it and change how it will look like as your profile. And that's it. You have successfully changed your YouTube account profile photo in your iPhone. Now, if you check it on your account, you will be able to see this new profile picture already. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.